So I built this Git visualizer tool to make Git a lot easier to understand. Instead of working with the real repository, it's more like a sandbox where you can create your own scenarios like branching, committing, merges, and actually see how things play out. I made it because a lot of Git concepts just don't click when you're only using commands. This lets you experiment freely without worrying about messing anything up. You can just try things, break things, and watch how Git would behave in this visual way. So if you've ever struggled to understand what's really going on with Git, this would make it way more intuitive. You can see the repo at github.com/zektech/gitvisualizer, and you can check out the website here to actually test it out yourself. Here in the dropdown, I do have some preset scenarios you can test. So for example, if you want to do a fast forward merge, play the demo. It'll add the commands and you'll see it live on the right side. I am zoomed in quite a bit, so it's kind of a little off here. You can zoom out on the graph and move it around. Go ahead and reset and play it again. And we can see it shows you what happens in real time. If you want to do something else a little more complex, we can see it simulating creating a bunch of branches and merging them in, creating new branches, merging them in. We can toggle the layout for the Git graph to be above the terminal instead of beside it. I do this for my shorts. You can full screen the graph as well. So we play the demo, it's just all on the big screen. You can zoom in and zoom out on the graph, reset the zoom. There are a bunch of settings. So I have one for speedy, just like for really fast visuals. One for horizontal. This one doesn't work perfectly, but it has the graph go sideways instead of vertical. So like you can see like that. It does push it down, which is a bug that I haven't fixed yet, but you can see it made the graph horizontally instead of vertically. We switch back to presentation mode, and we can see it's right here. Some other settings in here. You can change the font size of the terminal, how long it takes to type out the characters, the how long until the command, like press enter, how long until the action happens, the actual graph animations, a lot of stuff in here. If you wanted to display a demo with pressing the spacebar step by step, you could enable this feature right here. We'll go ahead and play demo and spacebar. It's typing it in and it's going kind of slow since I did change that time, but it is going spacebar by spacebar. So we can go step by step. You can also come here and type in your own things as well. You can come here, type something like git add pages.txt, whatever you want to do. Then we can do a git commit and just say whatever we want for the commit. So added pages, and we can see that showed up on the right side. So you can type the commands individually. So you can type the commits individually. And I have an info here that shows you the stuff that has been implemented. It may not be all perfect, but for the most part, it works. So that's the overview. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.